Got it here, $160 CO2 arrow shooter. There is a company. Let's see if this thing is any good. I never shot a thing like that before, so looks like it comes with the arrows. That's good. The arrows are kind of mini, cute. Okay, then we're gonna screw up this little thing. Depends if you're left-handed and right-handed. It goes both ways. Cool. This thing adjusts. For me, long hands probably have to go all the way out. Then a CO2 tank is going to go in here. You can buy it separately. I think it comes with one, maybe, I don't remember. Okay. It's losing air for some reason. Okay, then it's filled up. Gotcha. There's the safety off and on, and then simply just put the arrow into here. Wow. And it locks in. Okay, let's go shoot it because it's hot, except there's only safety. There is a big rail. It comes with the regular sights. You can put a scope on it or like dot, whatever you want. Anyways, let's shoot it. That's loud. No kickback or anything. Then you grab another arrow, just like that. It kind of like clicks into it, and then you cock it again. I would put it on safety though, every time. Wow. It's kind of weird because it feels like I'm not doing any work. Usually with the crossbow, you have to do manual work to reset it and stuff like that. With that CO2 tank, it just shoots so quickly. This side here about what, 25 feet, maybe 30. So, and I shot it without the scope, without any kind of dot. Check this out, right in the middle. This is awesome. Look how deep it shot into that, whatever the bag is. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's very deep. Okay, gonna go kind of on a speed. Lock it. Wow, that's kind of loud. But you know what? I took off my ear protection. It's pretty nice. It is a bit loud, so if you're gonna be shooting a lot, I would put some kind of head protection. I mean ear protection. But other than that, if you're shooting once in a while, you don't need it. And you know what, it is a lot quieter than 22, so I don't think you need ear protection. It is a bit loud, that's it. Super cool, just like a pellet gun, I guess. That's amazing. I wasn't even aiming, I kind of point and shoot, and look at it. Almost in the middle of it, I kind of generally point and shoot in the middle of this bag. And look, the grouping is so good, I almost destroyed one of the arrows. This legs failed me. Okay, hopefully you guys will see me shooting from far away. So, reload time, a little bit of the time, but not too bad. But as you can see, it is super easy. Fast, crazy, see? Beautiful. And again, I shot them all in around the same spot. So easy to shoot. One more view, I want to see how fast they hit in the target. That's gonna be kind of cool. It's not like shooting bow and arrow, that's for sure. Look at that grouping. So fast, wasn't it? Very, very deep. Look at that.